Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Fakrizzaki Ghazali, Head of Fixed Income Strategy at RHB Banking Group. In this podcast, let's have a look at what's in store for the ringgit bond market in second quarter 22. Fed has started hiking the policy rates by 25 basis points in March. We expect the US Central Bank to continue its tightening program with another 50 basis points hike in May. Fed also to reduce their holdings in US Treasury bonds and mortgage-backed securities by up to $95 billion per month. With these measures, we see bond yields will continue to be adjusted higher relative to our earlier projections. We view Bank Negara Malaysia's policy reaffirmation to be supportive to the GDP growth target of 5.3% to 6.3% this year. We expect Malaysia's inflation to remain stable in the medium term despite the upside bias from surging food prices and other essentials. Hence, we see real return to stay positive. However, we view that the price upside to be limited as bond yields continue to increase in the near term, but should remain attractive for the medium to long-term investors to consider for the income portfolios. We expect more supply of corporate bonds and sukuk in the second quarter 22 as economic momentum gaining pace with increased investment from the private and public sectors subsequent to Malaysia entering the endemic phase beginning this month. We view the primary bonds to offer better entry strategy to the investors as market repriced for the higher income distribution rate as to create buffer against rising rates. In summary, the bond markets are set for another transition period in the second quarter 22 amid the US Fed tightening expectations. However, we expect total return from bond investments to remain positive this year. Ringgit bonds and sukuk are looking more attractive for income portfolio strategy, which arising from a wider selection of corporate bonds and sukuk to be issued in the coming quarters. And finally, we expect the external headline risks such as the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, the high energy prices and commodities, and the prolonged global supply chain disruptions shall continue to drive market volatility in the near term to medium term. Thank you for listening to the podcast. Have a good day, stay safe and stay healthy. For Muslim listeners, I hope it's not too late to wish all of you Selamat Berpuasa and Ramadan Kareem.